Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, we're going to talk about Kikoff's plan, which is the $5 versus the $20 versus the $35 plan, and which one is best for beginners. So let's begin. So if you are trying to build your credit off with Kickoff and wondering whether the 5, 20, or $35 plan is actually worth it, or which one to even start with, here's what really matters. Okay. Now, the $5 plan right over here is the most basic. It gives you a small line of credit and reports your payments to major credit bureaus. It's cheap and simple. Perfect if you are brand new to credit building and just want to get something positive on your report. Now, the $20 plan steps it up. It actually or usually gives you access to a larger credit line. Sometimes adds features like credit tips or a store to spend from. It still reports to the bureaus, but now with more activity showing which you can help you score grow faster. The lastly, the $35 plan, that is the highest tier. It's best for people who want to build credit even faster with the bigger limits and more frequent reporting. You might also get premium features depending on the current kickoff offerings like these, but it's not always necessary unless you're really trying to maximize growth. But here's the bottom line. If you're just starting out and want to keep it super affordable, do the $5 plan. It's more than enough to get on your foot in the door. If you want faster results and are okay with spending a little more, the $20 plan gives a nice balance. Lastly, the 35 plan, only go for it if you are serious about speeding up the process and fully committed to using Kickoff long term. No matter which plan you choose, the key is consistency. Make your payments on time and let time do its thing. And that's it for this video. I hope you find this very helpful.